I saw this technique on Very Pink Knits. So I've got my little heart-shaped button here. It's a little wooden button. And I've got my pom-poms. This set has this little tag, and another set that I got has snaps attached to them. Work it through my needle. So you just thread that up, and then what I like to do is go inside of the hat and go up to the top. Take your button, put it through one of the holes, and if your button has more than 2 holes, that's fine. Just use 2 holes that are opposite of each other, and come up through. Then I'm going to just go across from where I came out, pick a spot, and go back down inside. You can see the needle coming through, and I'm going to just make sure that I get it through the other hole of my button. And then just pull that through. And I want to go ahead and cut this tail off. And then I just want to pull this really nice and snug so that I know that there's no gap, there's no slack between the hat and the pom-pom. Then I'm going to do my double wrap tie. So double wrap the first part of the knot and snug that down, pull it nice and tight, and then I'm just going to tie a bow because we want to be able to easily take this off, to put it, to wash the hat, to change it out, to take it off completely and not have a pom-pom. And that will hold it just fine. You can wear it. I've worn mine all winter long like this and had no problems whatsoever with it coming off. And then take it off, fluff up your pom-pom. It's all set to go. And your hat has a cute pom-pom on it, and it's completely removable.